Hey friends, happy Saturday. Welcome back. My name's Danielle and today we're going to do a keto update and a little what's in my bag, my gym bag, because I have it right here and I was like, hey, why don't I just show you guys? So if you guys are new here, welcome. My name's Danielle and every week I come on here and just say, hey, this is what I did on keto this week. This is what I should probably do better, or maybe I'm going to change it, whatever. I plan my attacks for each week following the keto diet. So if you guys are interested in seeing my progress, then welcome to the fam. So happy Saturday. We made it to yet another glorious weekend. And let's see, how was my week on keto? It wasn't bad, honestly. It was pretty good. I'm still lazy ketoing it. Meaning I'm not even really putting anything into my online trackers or anything like that. I still weigh out all my food. It's just a habit I do. It just works for me because I have kind of an overeating compulsion. So I weigh out all that stuff and I just kind of mentally count my carbs. And it's been okay. I've been really good at hitting the gym. I actually just came home from the gym right now, hence why I look like I went through the ringer, because I did. Today was leg day and it was my heavy leg day. So my legs are shaking. Like, it's hard for me to walk right now. Also, I wore the worst shoes to the gym. I don't know. I think it's my socks, not so much the shoes because I've had the shoes for a while, but the backs were like rubbing into, I don't know, what does that called? Like your heel-ish, you know, like that part where it just hurts. And they both were doing it and I just couldn't even finish my cardio. So I barely got like 10 minutes of cardio in and I had to come home because my feet were tore up. They were hurting so bad. So that sucks. But my weight part, yes girl, I was slaying it. I was just doing all the work. So I was really happy with that part. I got a really great workout in. I'm definitely getting my water, really been doing that. I haven't been intermittent fasting. I haven't gotten back into that yet. I'm definitely going to, because I just generally like it. Only thing I can tell you is I'm not eating usually after 4 or 5, but sometimes I'll have like a cup of coffee. That's what would throw me out of like the fasted state, would be the cup of coffee. But as far as like food wise, yeah, I don't consume anything pretty much after 4 or 5 o'clock. It's just the coffee thing. I gotta figure out something, maybe tea or something like that. I don't know, but that's just kind of what I've been doing. So I haven't been eating, but I have been having like a cup of coffee at like 6 o'clock at night. I like it like that. My sleep has not been the best. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with me. I did take my dog to get neutered on Tuesday and it was the worst thing ever. I'm a first-time home dog parent and I absolutely adore my dog. If you've never seen the video, he is a rescue dog. And he's like I don't want to call him a mutt because I feel like that's so rude, but he is. And anyway, so I went and got him fixed and he had to get a rabies shot. So I don't know why I did that. I mean, I did it because he started humping. He was a humper. And people were like, he's still going to do it. And I was like, what the hell did I do it for? But when I had got him from the rescue place, they had said I had to fix him anyways. Like, that was kind of part of the agreement when I got him. So I was like, okay, well, I have to do it. And he had to have his rabies shot. And then it turns out he had an ear infection. So he's on that too. So I hadn't been sleeping because they didn't put a cone on his head. So I was worried that he was gonna bleed out or something in the middle of the night. So I was up checking him and he was fine. He's not even messing with it or anything. Now he's totally forgot that they're gone. So he's doing actually really good. But I lost sleep on that and then I worked. So I was just up early. I don't know, my sleep's been messed up. You guys care about all that stuff. But I definitely need to I need to sleep better. So maybe the 6 o'clock coffees need to stop. Because probably that's, I can fall asleep early, I just have a problem staying asleep. And they say that's what slows down weight loss, and when you're working out you really need to make sure you're getting some good quality sleep. So I definitely need to do that. My eating has been okay. I've been really loving, I think I'm going to do a full day of eating and I'm going to share with you guys this little thing I've been doing. But it's basically a cauliflower rice bowl. And I've been taking dried chorizo that we get from a market. It's fresh. It's not the Supremo brand or whatever. And I just kind of fry it up with some cut up jalapenos and drop the cauliflower in there, and then I season it with sazon. If you guys have taco mix, you can do that, but sazon is 0 carbs. And then I cook it up, fry it up, whatever, and then I go ahead and top it with a little bit of sour cream and some Mexican salsa. It is so good, like so good. So I think my next thing is I'm going to try to do a like fried rice, like an Asian inspired fried rice with a cauliflower rice. So I think that's going to be next. But that chorizo one, fire. If you guys can do it with any meat, I just do it with chorizo because I like the chorizo and it's greasy. You can do it with bacon too if you wanted, but I really do like the chorizo. So it's real simple, but it's really, really good, and it actually gives you a lot. So I usually divide that amongst, like, that'll be my lunch and dinner. Like, I made that for work, and then I had half of it at work, and then I came home and had the other half for dinner, and that was it. So also, I wanted to show you guys what I keep in my gym bag. I get a lot of questions. I did work out at home for a long, long time, and I decided to join the gym. I'm at, what do they call it? Planet Fitness. It's 10 bucks a month. I do the very most basic membership, and I actually really enjoy it. It's definitely one of those no judgment zones. It's a basic gym, but you can get a really great workout in, and for the price, I like it. So anyways, here is my gym bag. What is it from? MB Crass? I don't know. It's off of Amazon. It's really cute though. It has like the long thing, and if you do yoga, it has things to hold your yoga strap, and it has like a little pocket down here. I don't do any of that stuff. But let me show you what I got in my bag. First thing is this Sweet Sweat band right here. I actually am gonna go ahead and wash this because it's wet. It's gross. I try to wash it like every other day. I do wipe it down at the gym and like rinse it off with some water. That's why it's still wet. But yeah, so this is, they don't sponsor me. I bought this on my own. They have a Fit Expo that comes to Chicago every year, and that's where I bought it. And I used to use their like gel too, but I have stopped using it since then. But I use this. You can use whatever one. They have them at Marshall's, but this is one I use. They have a new one that's like a waist cincher. That one looks really dope, but it's expensive. I keep my wallet in there because, you know, you need your license to drive. This is the new cream I've been using. It is the Advanced Workout Enhancer TNT Pro Sweat Burn More. Fresh scent, non-staining, colorless. Blah, 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 blah. You just rub it in there and tight yourself. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see. So, and I got it off of Amazon, and this was actually a really good deal. And it's just, let me show you what it looks like. And then you just, what I do is I just take a little bit on my hand and I rub it in, and then I like knuckle massage my skin. So I do it all around my midsection, my love handles. I put it on if I'm doing my arms, I'll put it on my arms. I put it on my inner thighs, wherever you need to build up a sweat, I go ahead and do this. But I do wrap my stomach after I put this on with a sweatband, but for the other parts I don't. I actually like this a little bit better than the Sweet Sweat because it doesn't have the smell that Sweet Sweat does. But, and it's cheaper. I'm all about saving some money. It's cheaper, girl. Okay, what else? Okay, here is my knee wrap. This is what I use for my right knee. I have a bad knee. I actually get gel injections in my knee. I was doing cortisone, but I'm bone on bone, so we did the gel injections. If you guys are on the fence, they are only really proven work for like your hip and below. So your hip, your knee, or your ankle. And my mother-in-law's got them in her ankle, and they completely worked for her. I got them in my knee, and I'm telling you, so good. But I do like baby it a little bit, so I make sure I wrap when I'm doing certain exercises. If I'm squatting with the bars or something like that, I always make sure I wrap my knee. So, and I don't run. Just so you guys know, I do not run. I'll do like a high incline on the treadmill, but I do not run. Running on the treadmill is horrible for your knees. So I think running in general is horrible for your knees, but I definitely heard on the treadmill is really bad. So, yeah, take this. Take that with me. I got my little gloves here. So if, you know, I haven't been using them, but, you know, if I started doing a lot of free weights, my hands get real cut up because they're already callous, but they just get real cut up. So I take those with me. I got some headphones because I got to pump up the jams. Oh, I got my X-Band resistance band. I'll take this with leg day when I'm squatting and stuff like that. I'll keep this on me, and it just adds more resistance, and it really pumps up the workout. These things are phenomenal. These aren't like the cheapy ones you will find at like Home Goods. These are really thick. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're like really thick, high quality bands. They are from the X Bands again. I bought these all my own money at the Fit Expo, but they are on Instagram and they have a website. So they're not the cheapest, but they will last you forever, and you will notice the workout difference. These are really quality. These are going to give you that Instagram body booty thing there that they do. These are the ones they use. So, oh, and I got some perfume because you don't want to be a stinky person. Got some deodorant because, again, you don't want to be a stinky person. I only keep this just in case. I use the Zion Health like clay deodorant because it doesn't have aluminum in it. But just in case that decides to give and I don't want to be the stanky person, I will keep this just as a Mayday backup. But I do use the clay dry deodorant. And then I have my lock. I went ahead and got a lock with letters on it because I hate the numbers one. I always forget them. And I always keep a towel in here, but as soon as I get home, I throw it downstairs in the basement. So, and I bring a bottle of water. So that is what's in my bag. That's what I take with me to the gym. Also for pre-workout, I've been doing the Amino Energy. I told you, if you guys didn't see that Costco haul, I did get it from there. I think it's still on coupon, guys, so it's 20 bucks if you guys are interested, if you guys have a Costco near you. And it's a really great buy, and it's amazing. I absolutely love that stuff. So let's see, what is my plan for this week? I'm going to keep up my workouts, obviously. My planning on working out this week, I'm going to go back tomorrow. Hopefully, we have a really bad like wind advisory coming, so hopefully it's not as bad in the morning, so I can go. It's like 75 mile per hour wind, so it gets dangerous because we have a lot of trees in our neighborhood. And so I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I just had a brain fart. Okay, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's my plan. So that's my plan of working out, and I kind of break up workouts depending on how I'm feeling. I never do the same 2 workouts back to back. I always try to give that muscle group a relaxed, I try to let it relax for a little bit. I always do cardio. I do anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes, with the exception of today because I was a dummy and, cut up the back of my feet. Food-wise, I think I'm just going to keep on doing it. I'm actually going to go out this afternoon and take a shower and kind of rest a little bit because, like I said, I didn't sleep good yesterday. And I'm going to go buy a scale. So we'll see. Maybe I'll weigh in next week, kind of see how we're doing because my period's just, finishing up right now. So that will, let us know how everything's working out. But I definitely feel like I can notice the difference. Also, you guys are so freaking sweet because I really just appreciate you guys for, not demolishing me when I showed you guys my big old jelly bits. But, we're all a work in progress. I think that a lot of people think because I sit behind a camera that I'm like not normal or something. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I struggle. This has been a lifelong struggle for me. So if I can share any tips or tricks, or if you guys just need somebody to be like, you dope, you got it, get up, let's go, don't give up on yourself, I believe in you, you need to believe in you, we're going to get this shit together, I'm here for you. Because sometimes you just need someone to say, look, enough's enough, you can't feel sorry for yourself, you're not going to find your happiness at the bottom of that chip bag, let's get up and let's do something. I'm here for you, we'll do it together. Because that's what I needed, And, if I can be that for at least one person, I mean, God, that would just make me so grateful because it's a long, hard life when you're unhappy with who you are. Other things you can change, but when you don't find happiness within your own self, there's a problem. And that's priority number 1, is to love who you are. Because you can't love somebody else if you don't love you. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much my plan. Work out, stay low on the carbs, try to jump back into intermittent fasting, so laying off the late night coffees. And I think that's really it. Showed you guys what's in my gym bag. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for you this week. What are you guys doing? How's everything going? Are you guys like getting ready for some like vacations? I know spring break is coming. I know a lot of people, they're getting some warmer weather. We're like 38 today, so that's warm weather for us. I'll take that. But, all right, I'm going to wrap this up. I love you guys. Let me know how your week's going. How's everything? Are you guys staying on track? And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.